From linear to loop, we're turning agro-waste into a valuable asset. The Gambian Integrated Modular Refinery by Fortis Invicta is a revolutionary circular economy hub. We transform farm and market waste into clean energy and high-value products. We create biochar and briquettes for clean cooking, biogas for renewable power, and rich compost to regenerate soil. This energy fuels hygienic halal meat processing and solar dehydration, reducing post-harvest losses. By empowering youth and women-led cooperatives, we create sustainable jobs and boost food security. This modular model is designed for rapid deployment across the Gambia and West Africa, significantly cutting emissions for a healthier planet. Join our mission. Visit www.fortisinvicta.com to learn more.